FAQs about Strelitzia reginae, your ultimate guide. Strelitzia reginae, also known as the bird of paradise, is a stunning plant that catches everyone's eye with its unique, tropical appearance. If you're considering adding one to your garden or home, you likely have some questions. I've gathered the most frequently asked questions about Strelitzia reginae and provided clear, practical answers based on my own experiences. How to propagate Strelitzia reginae. Propagating Strelitzia reginae can be a bit tricky, but it's definitely doable with the right approach. The most common method is through division. Here's how you can do it. Timing. The best time to propagate is during the spring or early summer. Preparation. Start by removing the plant from its pot or garden bed. Gently separate the roots into sections, ensuring each division has at least one growing point. Planting. Plant each division in a new pot filled with well-draining soil. Water lightly and keep the pots in a warm, bright location. Care. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. New plants can take several months to establish. How to grow Strelitzia reginae. Growing Strelitzia reginae is rewarding but requires specific conditions to thrive. Light. They need bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun can scorch the leaves. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A blend of peat, perlite, and pine bark works well. Water. Water regularly, but allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. Temperature. They prefer temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Protect them from frost. Humidity. They enjoy higher humidity levels but can adapt to average indoor conditions. Are Strelitzia reginae roots invasive? Strelitzia reginae has moderately invasive roots. While they aren't as aggressive as some plants, they can spread and potentially damage nearby structures or other plants if not managed properly. Regular maintenance, such as root pruning and pot restrictions, can help control their spread. How fast do Strelitzia reginae grow? Strelitzia reginae is known for its relatively slow growth. Under optimal conditions, it can grow about 1 to 2 feet per year. However, once established, it can reach its full size in about 3 to 5 years. Patience is key with this plant. How tall do Strelitzia reginae get? In ideal conditions, Strelitzia reginae can grow between 4 to 6 feet tall. In its natural habitat or larger garden settings, it can sometimes reach up to 8 feet. Indoors, it generally stays on the shorter side of this range. How to fertilize a Strelitzia reginae. Fertilizing Strelitzia reginae helps promote healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Type. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer with an equal ratio of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, e.g., October 10th, 10. Frequency. Fertilize every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Application. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for dosage. Over-fertilizing can harm the plant. Is Strelitzia reginae toxic to cats? No, Strelitzia reginae is not listed as toxic to cats. However, ingestion of large quantities of any plant can potentially cause digestive issues, so it's always a good idea to monitor your pets and keep plants out of reach if you're concerned. Where can I buy a Strelitzia reginae? Strelitzia reginae can be purchased at a variety of places. Garden centers. Many local garden centers and nurseries stock this plant. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon, Etsy, and specialized plant shops offer Strelitzia reginae. Specialty stores. Check out stores that focus on exotic or tropical plants. Strelitzia reginae versus Nicolai. Strelitzia reginae and Strelitzia Nicolai are often compared due to their similarities, but they have distinct differences. Size. Strelitzia Nicolai, also known as the giant bird of paradise, grows much taller, up to 20 feet in optimal conditions, while Strelitzia reginae usually reaches 4 to 6 feet. Leaves. Nicolai's leaves are larger and more elongated, while reginae's leaves are smaller and more rounded. Flower. Reginae is known for its striking orange and blue flowers, whereas Nicolai's flowers are more subdued and less frequent. What to plant with Strelitzia reginae? Pairing Strelitzia reginae with other tropical plants can create a lush, vibrant garden. Palms. Complement it with varieties like Kenya palm or Erica palm. Ferns. Boston ferns or bird's nest ferns add a contrasting texture. Ornamental grasses. Consider grasses like fountain grass for added movement and contrast. Common problems and solutions. Leaf spotting, often caused by overwatering or poor air circulation. Ensure proper watering and good airflow. Pest issues. Watch for mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect and treat with appropriate insecticides if needed. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Check soil moisture and adjust fertilization accordingly. By understanding and addressing these common concerns, you can enjoy the vibrant beauty of Strelitzia reginae in your garden or home for years to come.